Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi S1 Quattro. This is the 3-door, finished in a Sepang blue. The car has the LED daytime running lights with the Xenon headlights, the front headlight washer jets, and as we move around to the side of the vehicle, we have the 17-inch twin-spoke parallel design alloy wheels, the chrome mirror housing with the full panoramic electronic sunroof, privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards with the LED backlights, quad chrome exhaust and the rear parking sensors. Now this is an Audi used approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car has the black leather on the inside of the door cards with the electronic folding exterior mirrors, S1 front sports seats with red stitching with the S1 embossed logo in the leather with the cloth inserts, automatic headlights and wipers, with a 3-spoke S1 steering wheel again with the red stitching, cruise control, Audi's MMI display with navigation, air conditioning and a 6-speed manual gearbox. If you'd like any more information on this Audi S1 Quattro, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.